enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the world of laser cutting and engraving with the iCare K1 Pro Max 70W, a powerhouse machine that promises to revolutionize your crafting game. I will be also introducing the iCare E2 enclosure with a HD camera. First, let me show you this machine in action, then we will dive into the technical features. performance. Sporting the highest power laser on the market, the IKEA K1 Pro Max boasts an impressive 70 to 77 watt of optical power. This means it's not just fast, it's lightning fast, perfect for high-speed processing and deep cutting across a variety of materials. Ever had a project interrupted by power outage? Say goodbye to wasted material and time with the IKEA K1 Pro Max Resume Engraving feature. It's the world's first laser engraving machine to seamlessly pick up where it left off, ensuring your creations remain uninterrupted. But wait, there is more. The intelligent Z-axis elevates this machine to new heights of user-friendliness. With electric and manual adjustment capabilities, achieving precision has never been easier. Speaking of precision, the one-click high-speed autofocus function is a game changer. With just a press of a button, the laser hones in on its target in a mere 8 seconds, making your engraving process a breeze. Thanks to IKEA's proprietary motherboard and optimized algorithms, sinking cutting is now a reality. By controlling the automatic descent of the laser, cutting depth is increased by a staggering 30 to 50%, offering an unparalleled versatility. At 900 mm per second, the IKEA K1 Pro Max is in a league of its own when it comes to speed. Combined with its precision, this machine delivers flawless results at a breakneck speeds, saving you a valuable time without compromising quality. Precision is the name of the game here. With cutting capabilities surpassing those of 40-watt machines by 90 to 100%, the IKEA K1 Pro Max can slice through materials like plywood with ease, rivaling the power of much larger CO2 lasers. Thanks to its ultra-fine focus, the IKEA K1 Pro Max can handle a wide range of materials from wood to stainless steel with an unmatched precision. Its upgraded technology ensures clean cuts even through the toughest materials. Durability meets convenience with the IKEA K1 Pro Max's robust structure. With a modular design and quick installation process, you will spend less time setting up and more time creating. No PC? No problem. With its intelligent offline controller, the IKEA K1 Pro Max lets you engrave without being tethered to a computer, giving you the freedom to create wherever inspiration strikes. Now, let's introduce the IKEA E2 Laser Engraver Enclosure, the ultimate companion for your laser engraving endeavors. Crafted specifically for Class 1 laser engravers and cutters, this enclosure is designed to provide a safe and comfortable working environment. With its robust metal and acrylic body coupled with a powerful ventilation system, the E2 ensures compliance with Class 1 laser standards, keeping safety at forefront of your operations. Boasting outstanding smoke exhaust efficiency driven by a 7,500 RPM exhaust fan, this enclosure ensures that smoke disappears without a trace, while isolating 99% of dust, particles, odors, and noise. Its innovative features such as enclosure opening detection for seamless workflow management, a fire smoke-resistant metal frame, and HD camera with visual precise positioning make batch processing a breeze. Simple assembly, LED lighting, and a laser shield further enhance the user experience. Say hello to a new era of precision and safety with the IKEA E2 Laser Engraver Enclosure. And there you have it, folks, the IKEA K1 Pro Max 70 watt, a true game changer in the world of laser engraving. With its unparalleled speed, precision, and versatility, it's time to take your crafting to new heights. The link for the product is in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!